If you want to request your withdrawals from Workmines in Bitcoin, then this video is for you, because I'm going to take you through the process and how easy it is actually to withdraw your earnings in Bitcoin, which is one of the payment processing that Workmines offers on their website. So let's get into it. So last week Tuesday, I requested a payment of $16 from Workmines via Bitcoin. As you can see here, I received $12 from them on the 21st of May around 7:16 p.m. So this was a withdrawal of $16, but then due to transaction fees of Bitcoin, it went down to $12.84, which is not a big problem. So as you can see, that's the payment proof right here. I withdrew $16 from my account. So this is my Workmines dashboard, and as you can see on the 21st right here, 7:31 a.m. I requested a $16 payout. So remember, to withdraw you need to have at least $15 in your account. So once you reach $15, then you can send in your request of withdrawal either on a Tuesday or on a Friday between 12 a.m. and 12 noon. Because from 12 noon for the rest of the day, they'll be processing the withdrawal request that has been sent. So every Tuesday and Friday from 12 a.m. to 12 noon, you can send in your withdrawal and wait for it from 12 noon to end of the day. You will have your money in your account. So anyways, let's get into the process of how you would actually do this. So basically on your dashboard, you'd come to underneath the funds tab, which is right here, and then click on withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal, it's going to take you to this page right here. So if it's your first time to withdraw, you're going to need to set up your account, obviously. So you can come straight to this tab right here, and then this is where you would select your payment processor, which would be Bitcoin. So once you select Bitcoins right here, okay, so that's my balance right now. As you can see, $15 to withdraw. So what you do now is here it'll be a different button when it's your first time. So you click on that button that's next to account. So when you click it, you come back to your wallet, and then on Bitcoin, make sure it's underneath Bitcoin. Then you request a payment. So when you request a payment, it's gonna give you this wallet right here. So you just copy it as it is. Copy this wallet address and then take it back to Workmines. So that's the address that you put in on this section, and then basically update your wallet. So that's where they will send you your cash when they process your withdrawal. So make sure that it is actually correct. You don't want any problems with that. So your money will automatically be sent in there. And then, so for those in South Africa, if you want to withdraw from a blockchain to ZAR, then I recommend that you use either Altcoin Trader or Luno account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the process will go if you were using Altcoin Trader, which is my favorite. I just love it. I prefer Altcoin over Luno. Okay, so what do? You basically log in, and then when you log in with the same process that we did on blockchain, you basically send your coins that you've received from Workmines on your blockchain account. So you basically send to an address that you're gonna get from Altcoin Trader. So on Altcoin Trader, you basically want to receive, right? You want to receive on Altcoin Trader, and then they'll give you the address. Then here you come and send to that exact address the amount that you want to send. So it'll be about $15 because there's a minimum. So that would be about 0.008 USD. So as you saw, mine when it came in as $12. So let's just use $12 would be that amount. So if in South Africa you want to get into your ZAR, you sign up on this website for an account, and then you deposit your funds from blockchain to Altcoin or Luno account. In this example, as I said, I'm going to be using Alttrader. So then on Alttrader, what you would do then is basically come in once you have your Bitcoins in your account, then you want to sell them. So this is the amount you want to sell, and then this is the amount that you get out. Now you can link your account, any bank account, to Altcoin Trader. Just keep in mind that when you withdraw, you're going to be charged a 0.5 fee, so a 0.5% fee, so which is very, very low. Pretty amazing. So it's a safe process and easy way to cash out from Bitcoin, from Workmines to blockchain, and then from blockchain to Altcoin Trader. You can also just do, straight from Workmines to your Altcoin Trader, but I just prefer this way because it's safer, it's quicker. In the terms of that, blockchain is a trusted account, like wallet for Bitcoin, so it just makes the process easier for me. So either way, you can do whatever you want. Just make sure that your addresses are perfectly correct and you get your funds in your account. So I hope this was helpful, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.